We're on a bit of a twitch today, and an unusual one. We are going to Altona Pier. Altona's a coastal suburb of Melbourne, about 10 kilometres southwest of the city centre, and a pretty unlikely area for a birding twitch, you would have thought, but there's quite a bit of excitement because there have been white-faced storm-petrels seen here on a regular basis over the last couple of weeks, and there's been a whole cavalcade of the usual twitchers popping down here to see this bird. It's quite unusual to see them this close to shore. White-faced storm-petrels are fairly widespread seabirds, so they can be seen in oceans and offshore waters over quite a bit of the world. They're the sort of bird you would expect normally to have to go on a pelagic trip miles out to sea to view them. They're gorgeous birds, very dainty little seabirds, and they skip over the surface of the waves with their feet dangling down in a very distinctive way and picking things off the surface of the water like planktonic crustaceans, fish larvae and things like that. Well, Altona Pier delivered for us in spectacular style today. What an absolute privilege it was to see this gorgeous bird doing its thing, prancing over the waves without a care in the world. Just brilliant. What a beautiful bird. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.